Are you Derek Butler?
Yes, ma'am.
And will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
He does.
Let's see. Hold on, because we're going on more than that long. All right, Mr. Butler, in cause number 25, DCCR 1653. How many are we going on?
Is
4, 4. Oh, they're all from the same date, so we just enhance one time.
right. Well, they ran concurrently, Judge. Is one point. Yes.
Gotcha. So just count 1 and 2 is fine.
Right.
Instead of reading all of them. Okay. So the state has elected to proceed on counts 1 and 2 in your indictment. It alleges that you committed the 3rd-degree felony offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle from October 16th of 2025. How do you plead to that charge? And are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Free.
And are you pleading guilty because you did what they charged you with? The evading arrest or detention, did you do what they charged you with?
Yes.
Your indictment further alleges in count 2 that you were previously convicted of the 1st-degree felony offense of murder, September 29th of 2004. And is that conviction true? Speak up, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And are you pleading true, freely, and voluntarily? I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state's marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Lewis?
Yes.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes.
Do you also understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law? And it looks like part of your agreement also is that there's potentially something else, Mr. Smith, that refusal of all other charges related to this.
There's a misdemeanor that's already pending down the hall that we will dismiss, and there is potential to file felon in possession of a firearm. Part of the deal is we will not file that case.
Okay, that's your understanding as well?
Yes.
State tenders number 1.
No objection, Judge.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Butler is not competent?
No, Judge.
All right, sir, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty and true freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and understand the nature and the consequences of your plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle. Find that prior conviction true. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 15 years. Oh, it's a cap. I'm sorry. Let me back up. So, all right. So your agreement is for a cap of 15 years
Yes.
with the refusal of that other charge. I want to make sure you understand you have an absolute right to have a jury come in and determine 2 things. 1, if you're guilty or not. And then the second would be to determine your punishment. If you go this route, then you're waiving that and leaving it up to me with that cap. Is that your understanding? Okay, so then what I'll do is reset the case for sentencing so that the probation department can do a pre-sentence report. That'll give me more information about you and the case. And then we'll come back later for sentencing. Anything that you think is important for me to know, get that information to Mr. Lewis and he will present it to me on your behalf when we come back.
Yes.
All right, you go back with the bailiff.
Thank you.
Four cases and
Okay. It's
with time on 2.
got you. Good morning. Are you William Leroy Jones?
Yes, ma'am.
And so, Mr. Jones, in cause number 25, DCCR 1627, you're charged with theft of property with previous convictions from August 3rd of 2025. The indictment alleges that you were previously convicted of theft in 2 cases on June 1st of 2023. And then after that was final, November 16th of 2023. And then after that was final, August 6th of 2024, and then 2 cases, August 15th of 2024. And what that means, sir, is if you go to trial and you're found guilty, the range of punishment would be between 6 months and up to 2 years in prison, in state jail prison. Do you understand?
That's my agree.
And then in cause number 25 DCCR 1628, you're also charged with theft of property with previous convictions. That one's from August 2nd of 2025. It alleges all those same prior offenses. Again, the range of punishment is between 6 months and up to 2 years. Do you understand?
That's fine.
And cause number 25 DCCR 1629, you're also charged with theft of property with previous convictions from August 9th of 2025. Same prior offenses are alleged, making the punishment range between 6 months and up to 2 years. Do you understand? And then finally, in cause number 25 DCCR 1630, you're charged with theft of property with previous convictions from August 15th of 2025. Again, has the same prior convictions listed, making it a punishment range between 6 months and up to 2 years. Do you understand?
I understand.
In all of those cases, I have here on the tablet plea bargain rejections that have your signature on them with Mr. Lewis's that shows that the district attorney's office has made an offer if you wanted to enter pleas of guilty. In cause numbers 1627 and 1629 for 20-month terms in the state jail prison with dismissals in 1628 and 1630. Is that your understanding of what the plea agreement is if you wanted to enter a plea of guilty?
Yes, ma'am. Lord.
You have every right to reject that and have all 4 of your cases set for trial. I want to make sure you understand what the possible consequences are if you go to trial and what your options are if you wanted to enter a plea of guilty. And do you understand all of that?
Hold up, this is the moment everything shifts. He's officially rejecting a deal that would have capped his time at 20 months and gotten 2 cases dismissed. That's a huge gamble. Why? Because once you go to trial, the judge isn't bound by that deal anymore. Question his confidence. Or a risky bet he might regret and
Understand all of that.
Yes, ma'am. I do.
And do you want to reject that offer and have all 4 of your cases set for trial?
Yes, I do.
Okay, I do want to make sure, it looks like we've got 4 different offense dates.
That's correct, Your Honor.
And so, Mr. Jones, the state can, if you are found guilty on more than one of those, ask the court. So if you're found guilty by a jury and they sentence you, and then we have another trial and you're found guilty and another one and another one and another one, which is what we'll do, that I can then, with their request, I can look at the evidence and I can stack any sentences on top of each other to run consecutively instead of the offer, which is concurrently at the same time. Understand that as well.
Yes, ma'am. I do.
And do you want to reject that offer and have your cases set for trial?
Yes, I do.
All right, we'll get them set for trial. Mr. Jones, Mr. Lewis is one of the attorneys who handles a lot of cases for me here as a court-appointed attorney. With your permission, I can release him. I can appoint someone today who can begin preparation for trial a little quicker. Is that okay with you?
May I request to keep Mr.
You
Mark?
can, sure. All right, so Mr. Lewis will begin preparation for trial and we'll get all of your cases set on the trial docket. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
You can go back with the bailiff.
So,
Our last one. Maybe. Or not. That's good. That's a good thing. Yeah. Gotta have some trials, keep you on your toes, keep your skills up.
Yeah.
Good morning. Are you
And
Derek?
just like that, it's trial time. There's no safety net, no guaranteed outcome. The judge even warned him about stacking sentences, which could turn short jail terms into years behind bars. This is the high-stakes version of rolling the dice in court. So what do you think? Did he make a smart move standing his ground? Or did he just walk away from the best deal he was ever going to get?